This bird has a built-in microphone, and it's not CGI. Meet the long-wattled umbrellabird, a real jungle creature with a hanging feathered throat. That long wattle, it works like a speaker, vibrating to make deep bass calls. Its head looks like an umbrella, and that's where it gets its name. When it calls, the whole forest hears it, like a subwoofer hidden in the trees. It's found only in a few cloud forests of South America, and it's incredibly rare. This bird is almost impossible to spot, but now you've seen it. Comment, "Mic drop," if this wild bird blew your mind, and subscribe to Truth Trekker for more real animals that feel impossible.